Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast that explores the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is car. It's an A1 level noun meaning a road vehicle for transporting people. You might be thinking, car? That's a basic word, and you're right. But even with common words, there's always something new to discover. So, what exactly is a car? Simply put, it's a vehicle, usually with four wheels, powered by an engine, that we use to travel on roads. It's a fundamental part of modern life, enabling us to commute to work, go on vacations, and run errands. Think about it. How often do you see or use a car in your daily routine? Now, let's explore some synonyms for car. A close synonym is automobile. For example, my dream is to own a classic automobile. Another synonym is vehicle. We could say, the mechanic is repairing a vehicle in the garage. Yet another option is motor car. You might hear, he parked his motor car in the driveway. Each of these words share the core meaning of car, but might be used in slightly different contexts. Automobile often implies a more formal or technical setting. Vehicle is a broader term that encompasses cars, trucks, buses, and more. Motor car is a slightly older term but still used, especially in British English. Now, let's consider the opposite of car. This is a bit trickier since car is a specific type of transportation. One antonym could be pedestrian. A pedestrian is someone who walks, rather than travels by car. For instance, the pedestrian crossed the street at the crosswalk. Another contrast could be foot, as in traveling by foot. I prefer to travel by foot whenever possible instead of using the car. Another word that presents an opposite meaning of car is bicycle. If you're not using a car, you might be using a bicycle. For example, she rides her bicycle to work every day. Think about the difference. A car offers enclosed, motorized transportation, while traveling by foot or bicycle is non-motorized. How can we use the word car in everyday life? We use it all the time. I'm going to the store in my car. Can you give me a ride in your car? The car is parked outside. You might say, I need to wash my car this weekend. Or, that car is very expensive. We also use the word car in common expressions. For example, he's in the driver's seat, meaning he's in control, refers back to the car. Or, don't drive yourself crazy, meaning don't get overly stressed, also uses the imagery of a car. Here are some more usage examples in sentences and phrases. The car has a flat tire. She bought a new car yesterday. He is learning how to drive a car. The car needs to be serviced. The car was involved in an accident. They went on a road trip in their car. The car is running smoothly. The children were playing near the car. He opened the door to the car. The car's engine started making a strange noise. Please buckle your seatbelt in the car. The car's GPS will guide us to the destination. I prefer manual cars over automatic cars. He drives a red car. She has always wanted a sports car. The car park is full. We spent hours cleaning the car. The car is low on gas. I locked the keys in the car. The car insurance is due next month. So, today we've explored the word car, an A1 level noun meaning a road vehicle for transporting people. We looked at its definition, synonyms like automobile, vehicle, and motor car, and contrasting words like pedestrian and bicycle. We also discussed how to use car in everyday conversations and common expressions. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. Before you go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and learn about the wonderful world of English vocabulary. Also, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word car and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with.